out, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking new tools. All right, so got some new tools. We're going to talk about them. Some are exciting, well, some are not. All right, first tool we're going to talk about, well, is a rebuy. My Mighty Vac bit the dust. It doesn't want to pump, it doesn't want to suck. So I just grabbed one off the Matco truck because I remembered I needed it. And yeah, I could buy it cheaper, but Robbie. I had to restock on these. I'll put a pinned comment with some of these links, but seam rippers. My last seam ripper decided to break, so ordered these on Amazon. They had a deal on them, but I got some more seam rippers because, you know, wiring repairs, invaluable. And don't spend the extra money on the snap-on ones, just get the Amazon ones. All right, next tool by OTC, their circuit tester, heavy duty straight cord. Now I will modify this one like I did my other one, which is this one with the coil. I will add a banana end at the end so I can use scope adapters. Handy little tip. I didn't invent it, I stole it, but it is now something I will never not do. But one of my test lights decided to disappear. Don't ask me where, but it's starting to get a little, well, need to fix that, but went with the straight cord this time to hopefully not have that problem, but I will be modifying it the same way. Because, you know, you got to have a scope on a rope. All right, next tool is one I highly do not recommend. Highly do not recommend. The Snap-on needle nose vice grips copy thing. This is not their new ones that are US made at the old Irwin plant. They are not available yet in needle nose. Trust me, I tried. They only have this one. The Irwin ones suck. These suck worse. These won't hold anything. I mean, these are just garbage. I don't know if the bigger gray ones are better, but these just suck. Not recommended. But I did get a cool tool off the Snap-on truck today, actually, and that is these. Part number is PWCH7, and it is a front-facing wire stripper kit. I don't know why nobody thought of these before. You know, you're trying to do a wiring repair and you're trying to go in there, and I could have used these the other day when I was doing that Jeep harness repair, because that's basically the best way to get in there, because it was a nightmare trying to get those stripped to fix it. So straight, they've got, you know, the common gauges right there, and I've actually used them already and they work well. I mean, they're wire strippers, so hopefully Snap-on wouldn't screw that up, but they do work well, and they are really convenient for stripping wires that are, you know, down in a hole. Why did nobody do this before? I gotta give Snap-on credit. This is freaking brilliant. But yeah, part number again is PWCH7. Definitely highly recommended on the Snap-on truck, because trust me, if you've done wiring repair, you've been trying to strip stuff, and even, you know, the gribby ones can't get in there because there's just not enough room, or, you know, you go in there and you lose the wire, and yeah, buy them. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.